DAX offers you two functions to compare tuples of values. They are isAfter and isOnOrAfter. When you compare tuples with multiple values, the position of each element defines its relevance. So, if you have a tuple with two elements, the first one is the most relevant one, and the second one is the least important one. You provide arguments to both functions using the elements of the two tuples interleaved. So the first argument will be the first value of the first tuple. The second argument is the first value of the second tuple. And then you provide ascending or descending, whether you want to use greater than or less than. Let's see that with an example. In this example, I'm grouping product by category and subcategory, and then for each row I add a new column that checks whether the category is on or after cameras and camcorder using ascending order. And then the second element of the tuple is the subcategory that is checked against digital cameras, again in ascending order. The only difference between isOnOrAfter and isAfter is that isOnOrAfter uses greater or equal, isAfter uses strictly greater than. And you can see that the values are false for all the rows which are earlier than the given arguments. And then we have the first row where there is a difference, which is here for cameras and camcorders, digital cameras. On or after starts to return true because it's equal to the parameters, and after still returns false. After that row, the two functions both return true.